Welcome to Merritt Aluminum Products. My name is JD Hall. Today we're going to be doing an installation video for one of our single door crossbody toolboxes. It's going to be mounted in front of our transfer tanks, which launches June 1st. So by the time you're watching this, it may already be available to a dealer in your area. We're going to be using our 7247 mounting kit for this, which is a clamp style kit, which clamps onto the bed rails. Also included in that kit is a rubber shim to level it off for installing it next to one of our headache racks. Now we'll see if we'll need it today because it's actually going to be pushed forward a little bit for the L-shaped tank. But let's get to it and we'll show you how to do this.